Well, good morning, my self-reliant peeps. Today is about getting ready for winter. It's September 1st. I tend to do some work, it's cool now. I'm going to start taking down some of the plants that I take down every year. We're going to get ready to close the pool, so all the furniture has to go back up. The basketball hoop needs to be drained. So Glory's coming from Pittsburgh, going to help. So we're just starting, I'm itching to go. I did 2 days of I really didn't do anything. So I'm itching to go, so let's carry on. You might want to pull that up, Troy, so it doesn't fall in once the water's gone. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Get that side up. Hold it down and walk around. Grab it by the rim or whatever. There you go. Now, if you flip it and set it on its up, flip it to the right. There you go. Thank you. Before I cut this grass down, I'm going to attempt to pull out the maple trees. I suspect they're all coming from the same root. For the last few years I've been just cutting them down, but that leaves about that much. And the suckers come out of there. So I might be able to grab it now to pull the whole thing out. Okay, I got it hooked up. Got it hooked up around there. You get on that side over there. I find it easier with these tall grasses to use bungee cords to wrap around them so that you don't have to break your back picking up so many. As they get bigger, it's helpful if you have 2 people. Nope, there you go. Help me a little. What do you want me to do? Pull the white one. Yeah. And then I'll go high with one. Get it up here to this one. It'll hold better. Okay. There you go. Perfect. And there you have it. See how easy it is to pick up all the stuff when you use a bungee cord around it? Okay, now can you back the truck up a bit, Troy? Okay, go ahead. Pull her out. Keep pulling. Keep. Okay, good. This is the big one. Now, part of my problem with pulling out the maple tree was the fact that it's so dry. So I'm going to give it a shot in the spring when it's wet. It might come out a lot easier. I also have one growing over here. Yeah, I might need 3 initially. Do you have that other one in your hand, Joy?
Hold on.
Just attach it to yours. Attach it to the end of yours and walk to me. Keep going. Stop! Stop! Any critters in there? I'll let you know in a minute. Part of the reason I cut everything so early around the pool is that once we get it covered, then a lot of this, after I cut it, it'll get under the cover, if you will, for a little bit, or get into the middle where it's hard to get off then. So I tend to do it early. Blow it off, we'll blow it again, and I'll continue to blow it until they come and cover the pool.